Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we will explore the reasons behind AC explosions and discuss important safety measures to avoid such accidents. My name is Bipul. So, let's jump right into it. Why do AC explosions occur? AC, or air conditioning, explosions can be caused by several factors. Understanding these causes is crucial to ensure the safety of yourself and those around you. Let's dive into the main reasons behind AC explosions. Faulty electrical wiring. Improper electrical wiring is one of the leading causes of AC explosions. Overloaded circuits, short circuits, loose connections, or faulty installation can generate excessive heat, leading to a potential explosion. It is essential to hire a qualified electrician to install and maintain your AC system. Refrigerant leaks. Refrigerant leaks in the AC system can pose serious risks. When the refrigerant escapes, it may come into contact with an open flame or electrical spark, resulting in an explosion. Regular inspections and maintenance by licensed technicians can help identify and fix any refrigerant leaks promptly. Lack of maintenance. Neglecting regular maintenance of your AC unit can increase the risk of an explosion. Dust accumulation, clogged filters, and debris buildup can hinder proper airflow and cause the unit to overheat. Schedule routine maintenance checks and cleanings to ensure optimal performance and safety. Incorrect refrigerant handling. Using the wrong type of refrigerant or mishandling it during maintenance or repairs can be hazardous. Mixing different refrigerants can create a volatile combination, which may lead to an explosion. Always consult a professional technician who understands the proper handling and disposal of refrigerants. Manufacturing defects. In rare cases, manufacturing defects in AC units can contribute to explosions. Faulty components, substandard materials, or design flaws can cause malfunctions and potentially lead to dangerous situations. It's crucial to research reputable brands and choose AC units with excellent safety records. Now that we've explored the reasons behind AC explosions, let's discuss some essential safety measures to prevent accidents. Safety measures to avoid AC explosions. Professional installation. Ensure that your AC unit is installed by a licensed professional. They have the expertise to properly handle electrical connections, refrigerant lines, and overall system installation, reducing the risk of accidents. Regular maintenance. Schedule routine maintenance checks to inspect your AC unit for any potential issues. This includes cleaning or replacing air filters, checking electrical connections, and ensuring the system is running smoothly. Regular maintenance helps identify and fix problems before they escalate. Prompt repairs. If you notice any strange noises, leaks, or malfunctions in your AC unit, don't delay repairs. Contact a professional technician to inspect and fix the problem promptly. Ignoring warning signs can increase the likelihood of an explosion. Proper ventilation. Ensure that your AC unit has sufficient ventilation space. Blocked or restricted airflow can cause the unit to overheat, potentially leading to an explosion. Keep the area around the AC unit clear of any obstructions, such as furniture or curtains. Educate yourself. Take the time to educate yourself about AC safety. Learn how to recognize warning signs of potential issues, understand basic electrical safety, and know when to seek professional help. Knowledge is key to preventing accidents. Finally, that's all for today's video on AC explosions and how to prevent them. By understanding the causes and implementing the safety measures we discussed, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents. Remember, always prioritize safety when it comes to your AC unit. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.